In a single moment, a dying star outshines an entire galaxy. That's the power of a supernova, an explosion so violent it can light up the universe and echo through time. Stars live for billions of years, but they die in seconds. A supernova is the universe's most epic farewell, a cosmic fireworks show that marks the death of a star. But how does it happen? Let's break it down. A supernova is what happens when a star can't hold itself together anymore. Imagine the sun unleashing more energy in a few seconds than it will in its entire lifetime. There are two main types. First, the Type 2 supernova. This is what happens to a massive star, at least 8 times heavier than our sun. As it runs out of fuel, its core fills with iron. But iron can't fuse, so the party's over. Gravity wins, crushing the core in milliseconds. Temperatures spike to 100 billion degrees Celsius. Then, boom! The core rebounds, sending a shockwave that tears the star apart. Second, the Type Ia supernova. Here, a white dwarf star gets greedy, stealing too much mass from a partner. When it crosses the limit, it triggers a thermonuclear explosion. No core collapse, just pure detonation. Let's talk real-life supernovas. SN 1987A was a Type 2 supernova, and in 1987 it lit up the night sky. It was the closest supernova seen in 400 years, spotted by astronomers in Chile and New Zealand. It confirmed theories about stellar collapse, thanks to neutrinos it flung our way. Then there's Kepler's supernova, a Type Ia event. Back in 1604, it shone so bright you could see it during the day for 3 weeks. Even Johannes Kepler himself wrote about it. And Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in Orion, could blow any time in the next 100,000 years. When it does, it'll shine as bright as the moon for months. Don't worry, it's 600 light years away. What happens in those last moments? For a massive star, the iron core collapses in a blink, creating a shockwave that rips the star apart. The explosion hurls star guts into space at 10% the speed of light. But this isn't just destruction. Supernovas are the universe's ultimate alchemists. They create gold, platinum, uranium, even the calcium in your bones. So, next time you admire your gold jewelry, remember, it was born in the fiery death of a star. Humans have witnessed these cosmic fireworks for millennia. In 1054, a supernova was so bright it could be seen in daylight. Today, telescopes around the world spot new supernovas every week. They help us measure how fast the universe is expanding. You might wonder, could a supernova destroy Earth? If one went off within 25 light years, it could damage our ozone layer. But the nearest threat, Betelgeuse, is a safe 600 light years away. When it finally goes, it'll be a spectacular show, not an apocalypse. Supernovas, the end that creates new beginnings. Every supernova is both a death and a rebirth. They destroy stars, but seed galaxies with the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life. In dying, these stars light the way for the future.